Imagine soaring through the sky, the gentle rush of wind enveloping you, the world below shrinking into a patchwork of greens and browns. Welcome to gliding, where the thrill of flight meets the serene embrace of nature. Gliding is unlike anything else. It's an experience of pure freedom, a dance with the air that allows you to escape the noise of everyday life and immerse yourself in the beauty of the world from above. So, what exactly is a glider? Picture a sleek, lightweight aircraft designed with long wings that stretch out like the arms of a bird. These remarkable machines are engineered to harness the natural currents of air, allowing them to glide gracefully without the need for an engine. When you take off, you're not just launching into the sky, you're entering a realm where the only sound you'll hear is the whisper of the wind and the occasional rustle of the wings. It's a unique blend of technology and nature, where aerodynamics play a crucial role. Gliders rely on thermals, rising columns of warm air, to stay aloft, and understanding these currents is part of the thrill. Whether you're out for a leisurely recreational flight, tackling a cross country adventure, or performing aerobatics, gliding offers a myriad of experiences that cater to every type of adventurer. But why is gliding so captivating? Imagine the peaceful silence as you ascend into the sky, the breathtaking views unfolding beneath you. From the green hills to the winding rivers, everything looks different from up high. And it's not just about the scenery. Gliding is also a mental challenge. You learn to read the air, anticipate the shifts in wind, and navigate using only your instincts and skills. Plus, there's a vibrant community waiting to welcome you. Gliding clubs are filled with passionate individuals who share tips, stories, and the sheer joy of flight. You'll find camaraderie among fellow enthusiasts, all eager to share their love for the skies. Now, let's talk about distance. Did you know that experienced pilots can cover hundreds of miles in a single flight? It's true. With the right conditions and a bit of strategy, gliders can traverse vast landscapes, soaring over mountains and across valleys. The thrill of catching a thermal and riding it for miles is an exhilarating experience that few can match. It's not just about the journey, it's about pushing the limits of what's possible in a glider. If you're itching to experience this for yourself, you might be wondering where to start. Gliding opportunities abound worldwide, from local clubs to stunning locations renowned for their soaring conditions. A quick online search can lead you to gliding clubs in your area, and connecting with aviation groups can provide valuable insights and recommendations. It's all about finding that perfect spot where you can take to the skies. If you're gearing up for your first flight, let's walk through what you can expect. You'll begin with a pre-flight briefing where instructors will guide you through the process, ensuring you feel comfortable and informed. Then comes the exhilarating moment of takeoff, whether it's a tow launch or a winch takeoff. As you ascend, the world will open up before you, and you'll soon find yourself gliding effortlessly, feeling the thrill of flight coursing through your veins. Safety is paramount, and experienced pilots will be by your side, ensuring you have a fantastic and secure experience. For those new to the sport, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Dress comfortably, bring sunglasses to shield your eyes from the sun's glare, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Everyone starts somewhere, and the gliding community is more than happy to help you along your journey. As we wrap up this exploration of gliding, remember this: the skies are calling and adventure awaits. Whether you seek peace, thrill, or a sense of community, gliding offers it all. So why not take that leap? Embrace the adventure and soar into the skies with gliding. Thanks for watching the video.